In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update payment method in Lovable Dev. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your billing details are current and your subscriptions keep running smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Lovable Dev. When the results appear, choose the official website. A quick way to confirm you're in the right place is to look for a secure connection indicator in the address bar and make sure the domain matches the official site. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures your information stays protected. Once you're on the site, click Sign In. Use your regular account credentials and complete any verification prompts you normally see. After you're signed in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, look toward the edges of the screen for your profile icon or your workspace name. Depending on the current layout, you'll find it either in the top left or the top right corner of the dashboard. Click it to open your account menu. In the menu that appears, go ahead and navigate to Settings. If you work inside multiple workspaces, take a second to glance at the workspace name to ensure you're updating billing for the correct one. Billing settings are typically scoped to the active workspace, so this quick check can prevent confusion later. Inside Settings, locate the Workspace section and open Plans and Credits. This is where you can see your plan, usage credits, and the general overview of your billing status. Next, click the Manage button and select Invoices and Payments. This will open the billing area where you can review past invoices, check payment status, and manage how you pay for your plan. Under the Payment Method section, click Add Payment Method. If you already have one saved, that's okay. Adding a new method simply gives you another way to pay going forward. Now choose the payment option that works best for you. You can select a card or a regional method like UPI or Pix, among others, depending on what's available in your location. Carefully enter the required details, such as card information or the identifiers needed for your chosen method. Make sure the billing address and name match what your bank or provider has on file to avoid verification issues. When everything looks correct, click Add. Wait for the confirmation message to appear. You may briefly see a verification step from your bank. Once confirmed, your new payment method is saved and ready to be used for upcoming charges. That's it. Your payment method in Lovable Dev is now updated.